This is the final video to fix the failed to connect YouTube to Discord error. Are you also facing the problem where you can't connect YouTube to Discord? It can be really annoying when your music bot or account integration just doesn't work. Here's why it happens. Most of the time, this issue occurs because of outdated permissions, login conflicts, or Discord not syncing properly with YouTube. You may see a lot of solutions on YouTube or Facebook, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I discovered a simple trick that actually works. Here's a normal solution you can try. Go to Discord, Settings, Connections, disconnect YouTube if it's already connected, and then reconnect it using your correct Google account. Make sure you give all the required permissions. Restart Discord after that, and your connection should work. If you wanted to make a step-by-step tutorial showing all possible ways to fix the YouTube Discord connection problem, comment down below.